Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. So today we will discuss about the problems involving molarity. So before the solution of the molarity, we will find the formula for the solution. So here the formula for solution we have for molarity, as molarity is denoted by capital M, and the formula for this is the number of moles, and the number of moles will be of solute divided by the volume of solution. And here the volume of solution we will have in dm cube. So this is the simple formula to find the molarity of the solution. But here we have the number of moles. And then how we can find the number of moles? So formula for the number of moles, we have the mass of substance, and that mass of substance must be in grams divided by molar mass. Now how we can find the molar mass? Basically, molar mass, it is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms that are present in the formula. It means if we have a formula of any substance, then we just need to add up, or we have to take the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms, then we will be able to find the molar mass of that substance. Okay. Next, we have the problem number 1 for the molarity, which is calculate the molarity of the solution, which is prepared by dissolving 28.4 grams of sodium sulfate in 400 centimeter cube of solution. So you need to write first the given data. That what is the main given data has been given in the question. So here the given data, first thing we have, it is the mass of substance in gram. Mass in grams, which is 28.4 grams. And the second thing we have, it is the volume of solution. So here the volume of solution we have 400 centimeter cube. As the volume is in 400 centimeter cube, so we need to convert it into the dm cube by dividing it with 1000. Then we will have the new volume, which is 0.4 dm cube. So this is the volume in dm cube. Next, we will write the formula, that what things we really need to find the molarity, which is equal to the number of moles and the volume of solution in dm cube. So the dm cube of the solution, these things we really need to know the molarity. But here we do not have the number of moles of the solute. So first of all, we will find the number of moles. So to find the number of moles, here the formula for number of moles, we have mass of substance in grams, and it is divided by the molar mass. And we don't have the molar mass of sodium sulfate, so first of all we will find its molar mass. So the molar mass is equal to, for the sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. You guys need to know all atomic masses. So sodium, its atomic mass is 23. Multiply it with 2, plus sulfur, its atomic mass is 32, plus oxygen, its atomic mass is 16. Multiply it with 4, that is total number of atoms, and we have 142 gram per mole. That is the molar mass of sodium sulfate. Now we have to find the moles. So here the moles we have equal to mass of substance in grams, which is 28.4 grams, divided by molar mass, which we have 142 2.0 gram per mole, and the moles we will have it is 0.2 mole. So the moles we have 0.2 moles. Now we have moles as well as the volume of the solution, then we can easily find the molarity of the solution. So the molarity is equal to moles we have 0.2 divided by volume of solution which we have 0.4, and the answer we have it is 0.5 molar. That capital M we will read it as molar. After that we have the second example for the molarity. In this we have 20 grams of sodium chloride in 400 centimeter cube of solution. So what is its molarity? Likewise we will use the same method for the solution. First of all we will write the given data, and here the given data we have mass which is 20 grams, we have volume of solution which is 400 centimeter cube, and we need to find the molarity over there, but we don't have the moles, and we need to find the molar mass. So here we have to find three things: molarity, moles, and the molar mass. So let's start from the moles. Before the finding of moles, we need to know the molar mass, because the formula for moles we have moles is equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass. So we will find the molar mass of sodium chloride, molar mass NaCl. For sodium atomic mass we have 23, and for chlorine we have 35.5. So sum up will be equal to 58.5 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. Now we find the moles. So here the moles is equal to mass in gram which is 20 grams, and the atomic molar mass we have 58.5, and the answer or the sum up that we have it is 0.34 moles. This is the total number of moles we have. Now we will find the molarity. So here the molarity is number of moles divided by dm cube of solution. Dm cube means the volume of solution. So here we have moles that is 0.34, but here we don't have dm cube, we have centimeter cube, so we will divide it with the 1000 and convert it into the dm cube, that is 0.4 dm cube. So by dividing it with 0.4 dm cube, the answer will have 0.85 molar. So the molarity of the solution will be 0.85. And this is all about the today's lecture. And if you guys have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic, we will know that how we can convert the molarity into gram per dm cube. In the previous lesson, we have converted the gram into the molarity, but now next video we will discuss about this topic. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.